Not how much you're drinking. Now see that? Look, they said we were leaving at 12:45.
12:45.
I guess they
We were in my friend's car. We pulled up at 12:15. The train pulled up same time. 12:45.
It's 12:45, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's what we
were saying. Right that time.
Tight schedule here.
How'd you like to travel all the way to California?
No, this
He would.
I need a sleeper car. I need my own car. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a way to go, though. You don't have
As expensive as train travel is today, you might as well buy your own train.
He would like that too. Yeah.
Is it expensive for
So nice to have you on the train today.
Hi.
Oh, here's a lady.
Fancy meeting you here. I'm going to do my little talk, and I'm going to do it kind of in between, so I only have to do it once. So I'll be back to chat with you face to face in a moment. I just wanted to mention, my name is Carol. I'm your trainman today. And we have two, for the dome, the upper dome, we have one exit going out should we need to leave this car. And then when you get down to the main floor, you either have the door that you came in, or there's one at the south end of the car. We do not have a restroom in this car. The restroom is going to be one car south, which would be that way. It's a knock and lock. It's in the middle of the car, so when you go through to the second car, the restroom will be on the right-hand side in the middle. The door is a sliding door. Make sure you knock on the door to make sure no one's in there before you slide it open. We don't want to have any embarrassing situations. I'll be back a little later to give you a little bit of history about the car and the railroad in general. I do have coffee, tea, water, and I'll be coming around with some snacks. We also have an audio tour that if some of you might want to listen to that, it gives a history of the valley as we're riding through.
Nice.
So you're welcome to come down for coffee or tea. I can bring water up. I'll bring that up with the audio. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's that? Oh, is she? Well, you know what? Hips are easier to pick up. Yeah.
Be on the phone.
No, she probably will be. My brother had both done. His recovery was amazing.
Wow.
And then he had legs that were terrible. I've already recovered from the hips he did. Nothing. And I had all the other way around.
Anybody up for holiday wine tasting on the train?
November 18th.
You and Pat. Number 18. He's a designated driver. Not me.
I wonder if the train has ever hit any gear.
This is cool.
It's quiet, though.
Yeah. I love this.
That's a big problem with the trains up in Alaska. It moves so much. I'm fascinated with those Alaska shows.
You ever see that show Railroad Alaska?
Oh yeah, I watch it all the time.
Some of those people in there are a little strange.
A little. I think they're totally weird.
He's trying to be nice.
Oh look, we get to go through the train thing because we're the train.
You know what? I have to tell you, I looked at those train lights flashing, and for a minute I was like, oh, there's a train coming. I thought that in my head, you know?
I know, that's what I thought. And I was like, oh,
We are the
we're
train.
the train. You can see the train. Oh, they're going. We're crossing across the street.
Look at that puppy hanging on the window of his car.
Is the room still signed?
I'm a volunteer.
Where is the puppy?
That's a star. Oh, now he's walked in. He's in the
Oh.
back seat.
Oh,
You see
yeah.
his head pop up?
Yes.
I think he's an upper center. Or is it a retreat right here?
My dog loves to put his head out the back seat.
Look at him.
Where are they gonna move
It's a
it?
big dog.
She's amazing. I don't know how she does that. Over there. Yeah, that's when I asked her about the she said she's German.
That's how she does it.
She's Czech. Yeah. He said the way she does it is she's German. That's why no, she's Czech too. Watch it. Are you? Okay.
The first couple of years, I prayed about German hair.
Ron, the name Ron.
And my sister, she got into this ancestry business. She called me one night, she said, Dan, I want to tell you something. You're gonna be shocked.
Is there another station up there? Yeah. Oh yeah, there's I can see people getting on up above.
There is.
Yeah, there's like a. I wonder if that's one. I wonder if that's one of those bike trails where.
Which is Russia and Poland.
Yeah, these are big hiking trails down here, bike trails.
Did you ever walk the trails?
Yes.
Yeah.
They're nice.
And that's what I was telling Mom.
So,
would
he
walk on,
being a wasp,
especially like on Saturday or Sunday morning. My friend would always take me
I
walking
go to
past
Saxon Protestant.
You know, and she was,
I
her
from the
friend is
hills
like
of
my
Southern
running friend,
Ohio.
right?
Yes.
You know what I mean? We're just
Never
gonna go a
said
little bit
anything about
more,
what-
and then it's
where
2 miles
anyone
later,
was
right?
going. Get him with hillbilly.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Just a little further.
But then we have to
handled
come
it
back.
That's why I tell her, I said, Kristen, we can't have to turn around. We'll have to call a cab.
see you went on a train and you got in a movie.
One thing I hate
It never fails. He's so lucky.
I don't like to turn around.
Yeah, you like to